Welcome back to our diamond painting.
Welcome back to Everything Diamond Painting with Crashly. This is my assistant today. What's your name?
Nora.
Nora. How old are you, Nora?
4.
That's right. And what are we doing today, Nora?
And taking a picture.
Yeah, what are we unboxing?
Unboxing.
We are unboxing. We are unboxing an Evermoment painting today. Scoot up, Nora, they can't see you. All right. Unboxing. Can you say that one more time?
Unboxing. What's unboxing?
Well, the diamond painting is in the box. Or in the package. Oh gosh, that's a knife. No, that's not a good idea. So we're going to open it.
What is that?
Well, it's a surprise for you, I suppose.
I don't know.
Are you nervous?
No.
Okay, good.
How is it?
This is an unboxing.
Is that toy?
No.
Is that my surprise?
Ooh.
What's it? What does it say?
Evermoment.
Open it.
Oh, okay. What do you think about this?
It's a pretty book. I love purple.
Yeah? Do you want to take off that bow?
Yeah, and it's
No, take off the bow first.
yeah. And let's see my surprise.
Pull this. Ooh, pull the other one. Oh, well, now you kind of made it a knot. Have no fear. Woohoo! All right. Now we're going to open it more.
What is
Ooh,
huh? Is this a lid?
that is a lid.
Yeah. Lid. You
So
say
now for the video, we're going to show them what it comes with.
okay.
So I am going to pull it out.
I'll help you.
Oh, but please be careful.
Huh? This is for me?
No. Okay, so hold it up to the camera. What is that? What is it? Do you know what these are?
Diamond painting.
Yeah, these are the diamonds. Evermoment diamonds.
And
Let's check out the picture. Oh, look, here's the instructions.
ow. And here's
Oh, gosh. You gotta scoot up a little bit.
huh? And here's my stuff.
Your stuff.
This is mine. I love my surprise.
You do. I'm so glad. So here is the diamond painting.
Okay, let me paint it.
No, you don't actually paint it with paint.
No. What we do swimming now?
No, we're not going to do it right now. Right now, we're just doing the unboxing. Okay, so this is a 40 by 40. Everything, of course, came nicely packaged. Where's... Oh, and here is the picture. Nora, can you say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching.
Great!
Hey.
Say that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Well, I hope everyone enjoyed the brief unboxing for this diamond painting with our special guest, my wonderful daughter, Nora. It was fun explaining to her that I can't give her all the diamonds that this came with. She wanted to take them all. But you gotta admit that was pretty adorable, right? She's been begging to be in one of these videos, so she was super excited. Totally worth it. So this unboxing is an extra special unboxing because this diamond painting is part of the Everything Diamond Painting Facebook group, we are having a diamond paint along. So I will show you the sheet that it came with first. This picture. Everyone in the group that wanted to participate in this diamond paint along, we voted on this picture. So here's how, or the everything, or sorry, words are hard. So the diamond paint along is basically where whoever wants to participate, they purchase that specific picture, but they can purchase it from any company. Any company they want that sells that picture, or they can make it as a custom, but it can be any company. We also did any size. So some of them ordered a super gigantic one, and some ordered a smaller one. Some ordered square drill, some ordered round drill. So the purpose of this event that we're having on the Facebook group, which I will post a link to that Facebook group in the description of this video. The purpose is to compare the same picture amongst different sizes. We will be able to see the difference between round versus square for the same picture, and also to compare quality. Once we start this diamond paint along, which is October 1st, we are all going to start painting. But once we start after October 1st, we are going to have weekly updates to kind of see where everyone is, get a review from everyone, see how it's progressing. If you are interested in joining in and participating in this diamond paint along, definitely send a request over to join the Facebook group. Although it's kind of close to October 1st, if you ordered your diamond painting here pretty quick, you may get it in time by October 1st. And if you get it a little after and you start a couple days later, that's totally okay too. It's all fun. You know, you'll have less on the progression, the weekly progression, which is okay, who cares? But it's going to be a lot of fun. Right now, there's a poll in the group for everyone to answer if they're waiting on their painting that are participating or if they received it. And last time I checked, there were 28 people in our group on Facebook, Everything Diamond Painting group, that have this painting in hand. So for sure, 28 people have their painting and they are ready to go. So it's going to be a lot of fun. And again, if you have any questions, you can shoot me an email, or like I said, click the link below in the description to join that Facebook group. The details of this event are in the discussion section of the group. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Facebook or comment below. I keep an eye on it so I can answer any questions you have. So I'm just gonna do a more detailed unboxing of this painting for the diamond paint along. So the seller I chose is Evermoment, because they're just my favorite. So you saw the brief unboxing with special guest Nora. So here is the key. Get it to focus, baby. There we go. Here is the key. This is 40 colors. Let's see the symbols. And I chose to do a square drill, and it is a 40 by 40. Looks like the one with the most colors. Oh, I bet it's 310s. Yeah, it has a black background. So let's see. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, holy smokes. It is 310s. Focus, focus. It is 310s. There's 4,063 tens in this. That's going to be absolutely so much fun. Let's take a closer look at the symbols here. Let's see if there's any crazy ones. Looks like typical Evermoment symbols. Yep, nothing I haven't seen before on theirs. Oh, except for this cool asterisk, isn't it? I've never seen that one. So that's cool. So of course it came with this wonderful inventory sheet, as they always do. Description on the back. Here is the toolkit it came with. As you can see, Nora got a little happy, pierced my big bag, but that's okay. She gets away with crazy stuff because she's adorable. Okay, let's crack into this. Get it out of there. Okay, so we got a drill pen, looks like a 3-placer with the little grippy. Looks like they gave another multi-placer, of course. Got a double wax. Woohoo! I'll add that to the crazy stash. Nice tray with a spout. And the amazing Evermoment tweezers of death. Man, them suckers are sharp. So I'm gonna push this over here. So they also gave me a bag of bags. And Nora had these sprawled out all over the bed. Which again, whatever, she's cute. So look how many bags they gave me. That's crazy. There are so many bags here. I love the Evermoment baggies because they have this white section. So I keep my spare drills in a big binder with baseball card holders. So it just saves me from having to create a label. I just write the DMC number right there. So I really love their baggies. It's gonna be super fun to put those back into the big baggie. Whatever. So they also gave me this gift. Look, it says gift. Every single painting I've ordered from Evermoment has come with a gift, and it's all been wishy-washy tape. I've gotten yellow and I've gotten pink. This one looks reddish. And then it just says Evermoment there. There it is. That's some wishy-washy tape. And here are the drills it came with. Come back and focus. So this is what Nora kind of already got into. Just gonna take a couple out to show you. Has nice vibrant colors. Oh, they're just so beautiful. I love this painting. I'm so excited to start this. It's going to be hard to wait until October 1st though. But we all got to do it. We'll go through the struggle together. Super excited. I'm probably going to kick this up early though because I'm ready. Look at all those colors. That has to be the biggest array of colors I've seen in a diamond painting. You got purples, you got pinks, yellows, blues. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Okay, let's set this aside. All right, and I'm gonna peel up some of the canvas here. I'm gonna flip it over actually so we can see colorful side. Oh gosh, that's amazing. So just so you can see how, oh hey, get up out of here. There. Just so you can see the Evermoment quality with their symbols. so beautifully clear. Let me try to zoom. There we go. Just perfect. This is definitely going to be a fun one. Who knew, bag? So I am super excited to start this. Like I said, the struggle is going to be real waiting until October 1st. But if you're interested in participating in either this one, or we're going to have, there's going to be more to come. We're going to have themed ones. There are going to be many more diamond paint-alongs. I'm actually surprised about how many people wanted to participate in this one. So we'll definitely do more. But go ahead and join that group right now. We're going to have the link below. And be sure to subscribe to this channel just to see more content. And I'm going to do some drilling chats here coming up too. So definitely stay tuned. I have a couple exciting announcements coming as well. So be sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Have a good night.
Welcome back to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up.